What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great and you are all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. And the perfumes I'm going to review in this video is really great and amazing, and it comes from the house of Afnan, and this is one of their latest releases. And here I'm talking about 9 PM Rebel. And this perfume is something which I am loving a lot. Trust me guys, I saw some people saying that this is a very common DNA, like it's nothing unique, it's nothing new. But for me, this is rocking. A beautiful scent. So let's start our review, and we will start with the presentation first, and then I will try to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So here, you will get this perfume in this beautiful box. You can see, and the box is gray here, with the name of the perfume, 9 PM, the logo of Afnan here, the down 100 ml, and all the ingredient details here in the back. You can have a look here, and then nothing on the sides, nothing in the bottom. And this box opens like the box of iPhone here, very smooth, very silky. And then you will find your beautiful red bottle resting here in this multicolor cutout. So let me show you the bottle now. First of all, this is the base, the cutout, and this is the bottle. And this looks really beautiful. I'm not sure if the camera is doing justice here, but the color is really stunning. This is a mix of like red, deep red, and some light pink tones, but it looks really beautiful. And if you guys have ever experienced a 9 PM, the original one, the clone of Le Male Ultra Male, I have already reviewed that perfume. You can check my review, my detailed review, if you are interested. So the bottle is very similar. The only difference here is the color of the bottle, and here this time it's gray here. In the case of a 9 PM, it was black with this beautiful cutout, 9 PM by Afnan Rebel. And here you will get once again that very heavy metallic cap with the name of Afnan on the top here. It's engraved with this red color in it. Beautiful presentation, and then this black atomizer, and it smells really nice. So this was about the presentation. Beautiful and stunning bottle. You can see the shape of the bottle here. And now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the notes breakdown, and then I will try to explain you that how this actually smells. So here in the top you will get pineapple, mandarin, Granny Smith apple, and then in the middle you will get vanilla, cedarwood, and oak moss, and then in the base you will get ambergris, drywood, caramel, and musk. So first of all, let me tell you, let me give you an example to let you understand. If you guys have ever experienced Aventus, take Aventus, and then you can take Baccarat Rouge 540, mix them, and then put a lot of pineapple on the top. Amped it up with pineapple, you will get something similar to this. Aventus is the king of fragrances, and that DNA is very famous. You will get pineapple, you will get smoke, you will get some leathery birch tar there, and you get some musk, some oak moss. That perfume is amazing. So here you will get all that good treats of Aventus. And then once again, Baccarat Rouge is very famous. Baccarat Rouge is sweet. You will get that candy floss kind of accord there, that candy floss type of sweetness with some musk, with some amber. Amazing fragrance. So when you mix that two perfumes, you will get something definitely amazing. And then when you amp it up with pineapple, it becomes really beautiful. So here in the opening, you will get straight away pineapple, caramel, vanilla, musk. It's sweet, but it's not overly sweet. It's not cloying. So it's a sweet perfume overall, but it smells beautiful. And the mix of caramel here is really beauty. This works very well here. So pineapple with caramel, with vanilla, with the musk, and definitely you will get some light notes of ambergris, which gives it like salty, oceanic type of notes here, but it's not very strong. It's just there in the back. So overall, it smells very nice. Somehow you will get some nuances of apple here. You will find that green apple kind of notes here. So pineapple, green apple, caramel with some musk, and all these things. And then you will get that beautiful mossy kind of feel here. So it becomes a little bit mossy, little bit dusty, and towards the second phase, oak moss becomes a little bit more prominent, and you will start to experience that woody nuances here. you will start to get that dry cedar wood here, and then in the final dry down it becomes a little bit more mossy, a little bit more woody. Pineapple and caramel is going to stay with you from the start till end, but yes, definitely in the dry down it becomes a little bit more mossy and more woody. So this is the whole journey of this perfume. It's not a linear scent, it's a little bit dynamic. You will be enjoying the different phases of this perfume and you will love the journey. So overall, a beautiful scent, and I'm really loving it. I don't know about the others, but for me this is really rocking. And if you talk about the quality, the blending of Afnan is really great. So same goes here. It's very nice, it's smooth, it's not harsh, and the quality is great here. You will be loving it. Overall, the feel of this perfume is like very uplifting. It's very refreshing, it's fruity, it's uplifting, and very nice scent. So if you like these kind of fragrances, if you like fruity, sweet, musky, bright kind of scents, you are definitely going to love it. I heard some people saying that this is very similar to Lattafa's Qaid al-Fursan and Swiss Arabian's Shock. Okay, I think I was the first one who have reviewed Swiss Arabian's Shock, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. As far as I remember, the very first video on YouTube about Swiss Arabian Shock was done by me. So in the beginning you may feel that this is something very similar to Swiss Arabian's Shock, but once you are going to compare them side by side, you will know that Shock is nothing compared to this one. This is like on another level, and even the fragrance is not the same. Shock is just pineapple, it's a little bit harsh. The quality is good there, but this is something totally different. You cannot compare it with Shock. And if we talk about Qaid al-Fursan from the house of Lattafa, yes, Qaid al-Fursan got some similarities with this one, but you cannot say that this is like something very similar and it's exactly the same thing. No. Just try to compare them side by side. In my experience, I have Qaid al-Fursan, but I have to search it because I don't know where is my bottle, but I know that DNA very well. This is not something very similar to Qaid al-Fursan. Qaid al-Fursan comes in the same category, it belongs to the same family, but no, once you are going to test them side by side, you will know that how good is this. So for me, no, Qaid al-Fursan can't replace this one. This is on next level. So this was about the comparison of 9PM Rebel with some similar perfumes in the market. And now let's talk about performance. Performance wise, solid. This is 10 on 10. For me, it works very well. If you spray it well, let's say if you start with 8 to 10 sprays, you will be rocking the whole day. And this is a compliment magnet. People are definitely going to ask you what you are wearing and they will compliment you. Trust me guys, it smells very nice in the air, and once you are going to interact with people, they will be loving it. They will compliment you and they will ask you about the perfume. So performance wise, great. Longevity is 12 hours plus easily. I think you can smell this perfume on your shirt even on the next day, but if it's working for like 12 plus hours, it's great. And projection is very nice. Maybe you will become nose blind after like 1.5 to 2 hours, but trust me, it's there. So whenever you're going to interact with people, they will be able to smell it. Some people don't compliment, but it's always there. Trust me on this. Performance 10 on 10, no issue at all. And now let's talk about the gender. So it's a kind of unisex scent. Ladies or gents, anyone can rock it easily because it's a sweet, fruity kind of scent. There is Baccarat Rouge, which gives that feminine type of touch here, and then you have Aventus and more of the pineapple. But for me, I would prefer this perfume to be used by men. For gents, for me, this is like a little bit more on the masculine side, but ladies, they can try it. If they like it, they can rock it. For the age group, no barrier here. Anyone can rock it. If you're a teenager, you are a youngster, you are at the age of 20, 22, 30, 40, you know, any age, no issue at all. And now let's talk about the season or weather. This is a scent which you can use all year round without any issue. Just avoid direct sunlight when the temperature is hitting 40 degrees centigrade, 35 degree plus, you know, temperature. It will not work there because it's going to choke you. Definitely in that kind of scenario, the only things going to work is like citrusy, fresh, aquatic, blue fragrances. Other than that, you can rock this all year around easily. And now let's talk about the occasion. So once again, party, clubbing, weddings, dates, office, very versatile. And the best part here is that you can also use this perfume in your sports activities and in your gym. So use this perfume in any kind of scenario and it will rock, even on your dates. So it will work. This is a very happy-go-lucky kind of scent. It's bright, it's a happy kind of perfume. So this is about the occasions. And now let's talk about the pricing. So the price I have paid for this perfume inside UAE, like around 3 weeks back, was 120 UAE dirhams for 100 ml of the bottle. And see what the gorgeous bottle you will get here. So 120 dirham for 100 ml is great, totally justified. I am really very happy with this perfume. So if you like these kind of fragrances, do check it out and I'm sure you are going to love it. So this was my review about 9 PM Rebel. I hope you like it and do let me know in the comments box if you have used this perfume. I would love to hear your feedback. So I'm going to catch you in my another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.